Open the PayPal app and ensure your account is active and ready to use. Once you're logged in, head to the crypto section on the dashboard. Tap on it, and you'll see options to buy or sell. Select the buy option to get started. Before you can proceed, PayPal will ask you to review and agree to its cryptocurrency terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them, then tap agree and continue to move forward. Next, choose Bitcoin from the available cryptocurrency options. Enter the amount you'd like to purchase. PayPal allows you to buy as little as $1. After entering the amount, tap next to review the transaction details. PayPal will display the transaction fees based on the amount you're buying. For instance, a $5 purchase might have a 99-cent fee, while a $500 purchase may have a higher fee of around $9. Once you're okay with the fees, select your payment method, such as your PayPal balance or a linked debit card. Finally, confirm your purchase by tapping Buy Now. Congratulations! You've successfully bought Bitcoin using PayPal. You'll also receive a confirmation email summarizing your transaction.